Introducing SolarBox Lumine, the ultimate speaker for your outdoor activities. With its solar panel charging system, you can charge it at any time. It's a power bank. It's a handheld flashlight. With its high-fidelity audio, it's also an IPX7 waterproof speaker, no matter if it's on the water or under the water. The SolarBox Lumine is protected from the rain, heavy splashing, even if it dives in the water. It's dustproof and shockproof, optimized for all kinds of environment and weather. It is suitable for any occasion. Take it to the beach or to the trails. SolarBox Lumine is solar powered. Simply leave it under the sun. The rough solar panel makes charging more efficient. The high-fidelity sound has a distortion rate lower than 0.1%. Enjoy top-notch music where you least expect it. SolarBox Lumine is your best companion in the wild. Not only does it take light, it also gives light. Use it as a source of power and light at any time. Bring less and enjoy more. After all, it's all about having a good time.
Here at GoSun, we believe the sun is capable of powering our lives, so we create solar-powered devices to fuel the world. Today, we're excited to release the GoSun Go, a solar stove that roasts a meal in minutes, can be taken anywhere, works any day, yet remains cool to touch no matter how hot. Just like it's named, the GoSun Go comes in a bomb-proof package, ready for outdoor adventure or relaxing at home with friends. If you're craving a hot drink or need to sterilize water, flip the adjustable stand and use it vertically to boil. 14 ounces are ready in as little as 30 minutes. The secret to our breakthrough technology is the solar vacuum tube, which acts as a perfect insulator, trapping your food's moisture and flavor. Cooking made us human, and it continues to bring us together. It's an international language and an art.
As a kid, I was encouraged to explore and pretty much do whatever I wanted, and I was really attracted to cooking because of the creative process involved. It's like my creative outlet even to this day. And I love gathering friends and family together and serving up a hot plate of food. I'm Patrick Sherwin, and I'm a solar energy guy. I've been working with renewable energy for a long time, and I came up with GoSun 5 years ago, and we were chasing a big dream, trying to fit fuel-free cooking into the bellies of people around the world. It's clean, easy, and healthy. And for some people, this may be the only alternative where they're not burning something for dinner tonight.
Most people think that solar is too expensive or that it doesn't work. So GoSun has made an affordable solution that's 4 times more efficient than solar panels and works its magic whenever needed. Packed with power and free from batteries, the GoSun Go is something you can take anywhere to cook up a hot meal or drink with no effort. No gas, no fire, no safety hazard, and no mess to clean up.
The GoSun Go is like a ticket to an adventure with no strings attached. There's no fuel to burn, there's no mess to clean up. It's in this tiny little case that you can take anywhere. You can cook just about anything, through the clouds, through the freezing cold, all just with the power of the sunlight. And what more could you want?
When it comes to outdoor cooking, we're just getting better at burning and smoking meat. That's the same thing we've been doing for 350,000 years. GoSun invites you to join the 21st century solar revolution. We want you to experience the magic of the sun and share its goodness.
To pair your new Portico Solar sound, hold the power button on the remote control until you hear a series of tones. Portico should go into pairing mode automatically. Go to your Bluetooth settings page and turn on your Bluetooth feature. Portico will appear under other devices. Click the name, and Portico and your phone will connect. Now Portico will play any audio streaming from your phone. You can use the pause play button to start or stop your music. The skip and next buttons integrate with almost every music listening app. And the light bulb at the bottom turns on and off the light.